Indian troops in their fresh acts of state terrorism martyred 4 more Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today. According to Kashmir Media Service, 2 youth were martyred by the troops and paramilitary forces during a continued cordon and search operation in Tujam area of Pulwama district. Another 2 were martyred in Supor in Baramulla district. The troops have martyred 11 youth, including 4 in a fake encounter in the territory over the past 3 days. The All Parties Hurriyat conference, in a statement issued in Srinagar while condemning the surge in killings, said that as a result of these sacrifices, India would have to submit to the Kashmiris' will for the right to self-determination. Meanwhile, Indian police booked handler of the Real Kashmir News Facebook page for a post on social media revealing that Indian troops had killed already detained youth in a fake encounter at Chandigam Lulab in Kupwara district the other day. The Indian authorities have intensified restrictions in Jammu region and on Srinagar-Jammu highway in the name of security for Hindu pilgrimage Amarnath Yatra, which will commence later this month. Additional troops have been deployed in Jammu, Udhampur and Ramban districts. India under Modi gives a special hype to the Amarnath Yatra as part of the BJP government's evil agenda to dent the Muslim outlook of Jammu and Kashmir. In order to further tighten nose around freedom-loving Kashmiri people, the Modi regime has issued a formal order to fill 252 posts of dreaded state investigation agency with officials having close connections with RSS and BJP. Kashmiri diaspora from across the European countries gathered outside the United Nations Human Rights Council office in Geneva to raise voice for the Kashmiris' freedom from Indian illegal occupation. They urged the international community to take notice of blatant violations of human rights, the systematic killing of Kashmiri youth by Indian troops in the Kashmir Valley. Besides others, the demonstration was attended by leaders of Tehreek-e-Kashmir Europe and SHJ&K. An American Muslim scholar and civil rights leader, Imam Umar Suleiman, has warned that Indian Muslims who are threatened with genocide constitute 1/10 of the world's Muslim population. He said this while addressing a protest gathering in Dallas, Texas, on the alarming rise of Islamophobia, illegal arrests, and demolition of Muslims' homes in India.